Welcome to Lourdes train station, or as the locals call it, Gare de Lourdes. Let's get inside. Oh, found it.
Oh, there we go. Well spotted.
Before I tell you where we're going, I just want to introduce you to Jack, my lovely little brother.
And where are we going today?
Poe.
Okay. Which way do you think it is? I'm going for that way.
So,
Yeah, we're going for that way, but we don't know.
It's a posh platform.
Yeah, it is very posh, yeah. Where are we going for lunch, Jack? What are we having for lunch?
Pizza.
We're hoping to have pizza for lunch, aren't we? All right, yeah? Let's see how we go then.
What's pretty certain we're on this platform. We just went into the main building to double check that, but there was nobody at the information point.
So
Fingers crossed.
De Tarbes et à destination de Bordeaux-Saint-Jean, départ 12h12, va entrer en gare, voie. Il dessert Coarasline, Assac, Pau, Artix, Orthez, Puy.
Some seats in here now? Some seats in here now? Right there, some seats in there. Leaving Lourdes. Lourdes, you see there? Here we go. See the basilica guy.
This is my seat. It's very comfy. It's got a reading light.
Look at that.
It's got a plug socket in between the two seats.
Nice.
Headrest is really comfy. It's a smooth journey. Let's see if there's any coat hooks. Do they count as coat hooks?
Oh yes, there were some coat hooks there, yeah. Well spotted. And overhead racks. Very smooth, isn't it?
Almost there. Almost there. Down here, we've got the window bit.
Jack.
Well, the overall wideness of the seat is quite big, so it's easy when you're bigger, but when you're small, you get loads.
Those are very, very comfy actually. Very, very smooth, yeah. Put my light on for me, Jack, when I guess I want to read my book. Ah, there we go. Well done.
Style seat now. Again, comfy, reading light. Full ground table, nice and big, with a nice big cup holder. Really smooth to put them down.
Bordeaux-Saint-Jean, prochain arrêt, Assac.
Here we are at the table seats, and
What do you think?
It's something you won't find at home.
Right, it's something you won't find at home as well. Yeah, you're right. Oh, very nice.
Small, medium, large.
What was that?
Welcome to Pau.
Yeah, lovely smooth ride, wasn't it, Noah?
Yeah.
Yeah, now, so what we're going to do is get some pizza and I'm going to go look at the Tour de France exhibit, alright?
Yep.
Let's watch our train go.
Okay.